Citizens in Norman voicing concerns after the city investigated a fish kill along waters of Rock Creek. 40 fish were confirmed dead. Fox 25's Grant Palmer joining us from that creek. Grant, what are the folks there worried about?
Adam, one resident I spoke with says just a week ago, waters were rushing right through where I'm standing that contained chlorine that was so strong it burned his neighbor's throat. And he tells me he's worried that this could impact not only himself, but also his cattle.
There's nothing to be concerned about.
Right.
No immediate danger. And they're not telling us anything of what it could do, exactly what it was.
That's what Harold Hansmeyer says the city of Norman is telling him and his neighbors after dozens of fish between 2 and 5 inches were found dead in this creek not too far away from his property. Hansmeyer says one of his neighbors brought it to his attention about a week ago. And
then my neighbor was in the creek and he spotted all these dead fish everywhere. So we meet down there at the bridge and there's dead fish everywhere.
The city of Norman would not speak to us on camera, but in a statement on the city's website, officials believe the fish kill was likely a result of water flushing that happened at the Vernon Campbell water treatment plant. They say water was flushed from the system because it was produced with a low chlorine residual, and Hansmeyer says he and his neighbors could smell it when the water was rushing.
It burned your eyes a little bit and your throat. Jared said it burnt his throat.
The smell?
Yeah.
Burnt his throat?
Yeah, burnt your eyes and your throat. That's what he's saying.
While the city says there is no threat or immediate harm posed to the public in any way because of this, Hansmeyer says he's worried about how this incident could potentially affect his cattle.
But if it killed all the species of fish in there, it just can't be the best thing. Now, my concern is I've got cattle at 100%. That's their water supply, along with my neighbors to the west of me there. We have lots of cattle that drink out of there. Now, they haven't died yet or showed any signs of anything, but will they have long-term effects?
Hansmeyer tells me he's also concerned about the chlorine soaking into the soil and contaminating his drinking water. He says the company came out last week to collect soil samples, but no results of those samples just yet. Reporting live in Norman, Grant Palmer, Fox 25 News.